Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Monica. I am so glad to have each and everyone here with me today. Today we're going to be planning for Monday, November the 30th through December the 6th. Oh my gosh, you guys, we have just a couple more weeks in this daily duo, and then we'll be launching into the next one. And it's so hard to believe that this year has just gone by tremendously quick, despite everything that has transpired throughout the year. So I figured, why not go ahead and let's get this party started with some Christmas. Okay, so I have several books here from the Happy Planner. I have the Christmas Joy book, and these are older books. I have not bought any recent books lately. Shame on me. So I have the Christmas Joy book, the Happy Year book. This is not a holiday book, but I do use some of the functionables in here. The household book, and then I have the seasonal book, and then Color Story to get some of the boxes out of. So my plan is to get a layout as nice as possible with these books. I do know I wanted to use, and I should have bookmarked them last night when I was going through it. Oh well, it'll be okay, I guess. There's some numbers, some date dots in here that I wanted to use. So if I can find them, I will show you. I don't know if it was in this book. Here they go. I wanted to use these date dots, but I would have to use this one. And see, I don't want to mess up the flow if I'm making any sense. So I'm really thinking about not doing a date dot here and just starting with the first. I don't know how that will look, but we will see. Or I may do the candy cane. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I really don't know. But I'm really excited to get started. This is gonna be so cute. This is gonna be awesome. So let's see. Oh, okay. So they have the 12 Days of Christmas. And I've had this book for a while. Maybe since last year. I don't know. So I'm going to try to go ahead and I'm going to fast forward through all of this and try to lay something down and figure something out. Like I said, I pulled these books last night. I did not bookmark anything particular. So I'm going to try to function, so to speak. Okay, this may be a pretty long video, hopefully not, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started. But before I get started, I want to again thank you guys for being here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. If you could you go ahead and hit that subscribe button? That way you're subscribed to my channel, and go ahead and hit that bell for notifications. That way you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you are returning, welcome back. I am so happy to have you guys with me. Thank you for all of your love and support. With all of that being said, let's go ahead and we're gonna get started. Alright, you guys, this is what the week looks like. I just did Monday as a continuation of fall because it's still November, and I'll go in and I'll write out my AM and PM routines. And then this is Tuesday. I tried to use as much of the stickers as I could, but I went in with my Christian designs from Michaels and added those days of the week. So this is Monday. I just layered some pumpkins and I thought that was cute. And then Tuesday, this is Tuesday, like the thing from the Nutcracker. And then this is Wednesday, just, you know, simple. And then Thursday, simple again. Let's see, this is Friday, which I thought was cute with the little robin right there and the Christmas tree. And then this is Saturday and Sunday. I can just put like what we want to do for our winter bucket list here. I thought the little Santa with the llama was cute. I think this was made for like the monthly box in the Erin Condren, I mean not the Erin Condren, the Happy Planner. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through with this book, the household book, and I'll probably do some of these like when I need to clean and things like that. And, you know, work on that. But that is it for like the base part. I thought this was really, really cute. Like I said, I just left Monday as its own day, you know, own thing, because it's still technically November. So I just left it alone. I thought it was, you know, still fallish to me. But into December 1 is the start of Christmas. And I used the peppermint date dots, which I thought was really, really cute. I didn't have any other days of the week, so I just used the ones from Christian Designs and her collaboration with Michaels. So if you want to see what it looks like after the pen, go ahead and check out my Instagram. That's planningwithmonicas. I'll leave a not a link, but the name right here. Excuse me. Pictures of each spread before and after the pen will be over there. If you're part of any of the Facebook groups, you'll definitely see me there. What else? Oh yeah. If you want your own Erin Condren Daily Duo, I do have a link in the description box. It is an affiliate link, and that link will take you straight to the Erin Condren site. If you order, I do make a small commission, and what I do with that commission is I buy products to bring back to my channel. So I would greatly, greatly appreciate you all using my links. I do have an affiliate link to Christian Designs. Her stickers are awesome and repositionable, so I love those. So that is about it, you guys. Thank you for joining me today. I greatly, greatly appreciate it, and I hope you guys had a safe and happy Thanksgiving. And in the meantime, in between time, be safe, be blessed, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.